I'm just going to mark these real quick right up against this guide. And go back, run them all the way down. S10 screws. This here is our center stave. The instructions say to basically start at the next stave and then skip a board for each one. So, all right, so the top of this first panel is 80 inches long. So we're going to mark 40 inches on center. There we got our center mark. And carry that mark down to the base, just like this. Now that we've got center on our panel, we're going to want to find center on our floor. So for an overall width, we've got 61 inches. That puts us at 30.5 for our halfway mark. We'll do the same thing. Take our handy T-square and run that to just the inside of this channel. So then what we can do, line up our center lines, and we'll have a centered back wall. We're going to dry fit this again, might as well. Check to make sure that we have even spacing on the sides. Okay. Here we have our next. Its way all the way down into that bottom panel. And apply our foam tape around the edge of our front panel. You use our staves that we use to that's where we're going. Sink it down. good solution. So basically, this is where the curve starts. Went on the long side, stuck them in place, front and back. Next stave. And that will round out step 6. Our side stave. Okay, go ahead and set that in, and then slide it my way. And up next, we are going to use 4 single staves to round out our corner. All right, so we're going to take our H finishing staves. You can see there are two that are channeled accordingly. And they're going to sit here up against the end walls of our panel. Like so. And then we also have these H1 spacers in different widths to help close our gap. So we'll just kind of size those up, see what we need as far as fit. And it looks like maybe just these two will do it. Do that. We want it to be as tight as possible. So we'll put our H pieces in, come back with this last one. Actually, so what we're going to do, we'll fit everything and then screw these last few pieces down just so that we have enough movement to be able to adjust accordingly. If we kind of put them in at the same time, we should be able to roll that into place. There we go. Kind of like fitting a really tight puzzle into place. There we go. Very cool. Super nice and tight. Go down to the other end and smack them into place. Okay. Okay, you mind getting it, is it flush with the end? No. Make it flush with the end. Okay. And then let's go so that it's just covering the tarp. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you so much. We gotta do the same thing to the other side too. Hell yeah.